Hi, Jen here. Today we are testing out a new Wet n Wild release. Wet n Wild was kind of to send me the Chameleon Chrome lunch. It's more on the creative side. I love to play with colors and things like that, but recently, yeah, I haven't done it. So I think it's gonna be a fun way to play with what Wet n Wild sent me. There's a few goodies in it. We have two highlighters, one eyeshadow foil, two lip foil, and as well 4 eyeliners. All right, I want to find a way to use all the products they sent me, but I only have 2 eyes. I really love this eyeshadow foil. It's kind of wet and it goes on super reflective. I love this stuff, but I also want to use the pencil. I could do something on my lower lash line. And as for the gloss, it's giving, festival type of glosses, but I still want to swatch them on for you guys. Yeah, play around, have fun. And the highlighters though, I love that the packaging that it's coming in, it's the reflective, the iridescent effect you get. So the green one, you get some iridescent green, and the blue one, you're getting some iridescent bluish shades. Is it shades or reflex? Reflex? Yeah, so love this stuff. I'm really appreciative when brands send me some PR. So the least I can do is show you guys what I got and how the products are working. And as long as I'm gonna get PR, for sure I will create content with it. You guys know I love Wet n Wild. It started with the eyeshadows. Love the eyeshadows down, and I've had this one for years and I still use it till this day. Let's start with the eyes. Let's try to do just a little bit of brown in the crease, just to have something in my crease before I add in the eyeshadow foil. Like I said, I love this eyeshadow foil, which is kind of wet. I don't know if I should use my fingers to apply it on my eyelids, but I think it's gonna be messy. I'm gonna get some brushes. So let's apply the eyeshadow foil on my eyelids. I have a flat brush. I'm just gonna dip in it a little. Ooh, this is nice. Curious to see how long it's gonna take to dry it down. I decided not to swipe, but tap it because you get more pigment that way. Let's dry it down. With the fan, it did dry down fast. Okay, love that. With the pencil, I was thinking maybe just smudge this on my lower lash line. I just don't know which one I want to use. I think I'm gonna go with this one here and put it on my lower lash line. I think it's a fun way as well to add more color to your makeup by using colored eyeliners like this. Even a little itty bitty wing would be pretty. Let's add mascara. Oh, the butter mascara makes it so pretty. I love it. Definitely, I think this summer I would add this on my lower lash line, let's say with a neutral brown on the eyes, a smoky brown, and then you add these pencils on your lower lash line. Is so fun. It's really gonna make your look more fun without getting out of your comfort zone. What I want to do is add one of these in my inner corner and one on my cheeks. I think I'm gonna do the green one in my inner corners and the blue one on my cheeks. Super pigmented. Okay, and let's do this on my cheek area. I don't highlight anymore on my cheeks, but let's have fun. And it is very glittery. Let me blend this in with my fingers. Do you see it? It's subtle. When you initially put it down, it is a lot. But if you want to tame it down a bit, just use your fingers to blend it in further. And it's just giving a little reflect and not too much. Now we're down to the lips. Let's try the glosses. I will swatch both for you guys. Maybe I should try this one first. Let's try this first. In camera it looks good, but in real life it's so reflective and neon-y and glittery. It's very glittery, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels very smooth on the lips. Now let's try the darkest one, this one here. You know what? I like this one better. Even though it's very weird as a color, let's mix these two together to see what it's gonna give. Thank you, Wet n Wild, for sending me this package. I had so much fun playing with the Chameleon line. If you're thinking about giving a try to one of these, please let me know in the comments section, and I will do my best to link them down below in my description box for you guys. And yeah, so let me know what are your thoughts on this look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not part of the family yet, what are you doing? Subscribe and join the squad. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you all on my next one. Mwah. Bye.